In this video, we're going to be talking about Arena 3 and the very best deck here that you can use to breeze through this arena. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But by far, the very best deck here in Arena 3 is something that I like to call the Battle Ram Tombstone deck, which actually has an average cost of 3.1 elixir. This right here is going to be that deck. Your win condition is obviously going to be that Battle Ram, just because it can crash into towers for big damage or force out defensive troops. Essentially, just pair this with minions or archers behind it to pressure both lanes. Now, on defense, Tombstone is actually going to be the real MVP. It spawns skeletons in nonstop, making it amazing against mini P.E.K.K.A. or Prince. On top of that, you can combine it with Knight as your tanky control unit, and suddenly your defenses are rock solid. Spear Goblins are going to be great for chip damage and cycle, while your spells, Fireball, and arrows are going to give you reliable answers to swarms and support troops. Overall, this deck has godly defense and a fantastic free-to-play score value. And even if the attack is just average, just play patient, defend first, and then punish with that Battle Ram counter push. Run this deck and Arena 3 is going to feel a lot easier. If you do have any questions though, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.